guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about my eyebrows. So I just created a look right now, but I also did a quick tutorial before this look on my eyebrows, how I get them looking thick and full and contoured. But before we get to that video, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love to have you here. So what are you waiting for? Have you hit the subscribe button? Okay, you have. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is take my A24 Spectrum brush, and I just take the end bit of the brush. It's just like a thick eyebrow brush that I can always use, so I just like to go in with that. And what I like to do is just brush my eyebrow hairs upwards. And I already have quite thick eyebrows anyway, so I don't really need to do much. I just wax my eyebrows every 2 weeks, so I'm due for an eyebrow wax probably next week. So I do have a little bit of regrowth. I'll show you how I like to cover that up so that my eyebrows are looking obviously very fresh. So what I've been using is the EYLURE Brow Amplifier. This is literally magic, and this is in dark brown. And you want to be careful of not taking way too much, because I know some people, they really like their eyebrows dark, but I don't. I just take like a little bit, and then I even take the excess off. And what I then do is just brush it like normal eyebrows. So yeah, I just brush it with small strokes, just showed you, and as you can see, this eyebrow and this eyebrow is completely different. There is a little bit of regrowth more on this eyebrow, so I'm just going to pluck it now. And these tweezers are also from EYLURE. I'll leave the link down below. But yeah, I'm just going to pluck the excess hair. It also has a comb area, so you can like brush up and cut it, but I'm not really a technician and I don't really study that. And I know people are like, how are people inventing these jobs? But I do feel there's a skill to it, and I don't want to mess up my eyebrows, so I just pluck a little bit, but I don't actually trim it or anything. I just leave that to my eyebrow girl. So I'm going to just do the other eyebrow. You kind of want to leave it just on for 5 minutes before you start clearing it up. And I know people dye their eyebrows. I just love this. I think this is literally amazing. It is like having a pot of dyed eyebrow just in a brush. So this is what I use just to amplify my brows, because I don't want to go too much into my eyebrows because they're already thick and they're already full of volume anyway. So to conceal my eyebrows, I use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. Spell out of my hand. And I use it in C11. I do swap between C11 and C12. Depends on like if I want my eyebrows to be really highlighted or not. And then I'm just taking my A24 Spectrum brush. If I'm in a rush, I just normally use the brush applicator because it's actually quite good. But if I'm like doing a sit down and I'm at home and I'm going out, then I just use the back of my A24 Spectrum brush, just because it gives it a more concealed look and it's more flawless. So I just brush that in, just outlining my eyebrow. You can actually tell how much concealer I use because it is nearly finished, girl. And I just work that all in with a beauty blender. And then I just like to finish off my eyebrows using the EYLURE Brow Contour and Shaping Gel. This is just a clear gel, and it just helps the eyebrows stay in shape. So I just go over my eyebrows, and I just like to buff them up a little bit. And yes guys, this is how I do my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to show you the final look. So yeah, I finished my makeup, and if you want to see the full video of this makeup look, there will be a link somewhere here. So that's all folks. So you saw how I did my eyebrow. This is my up-to-date eyebrow tutorial. So if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list of the links down below. You can also purchase these products. I'll also leave the list of the links down below. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember what? To always stay bougie.